Hello my dear students, good morning first class. I hope you will find at your home, safe at your home. I am Neelam. Today I welcome you in your moral class. In last video we have complete chapter number 1 and today we will start the chapter number 2, Rohan's Tale. Okay? Chapter number 2 is Rohan's Tale and the theme of this chapter is cleanliness is next to godliness. Okay, means those who are pure and wholesome clean are close to God. Cleanliness refers to both moral purity and to personal hygiene. Okay, it's a story of a little boy Rohan who tells us about the cleanliness. Okay, one day Rohan comes back his home from the park. Then his mother calls him for a meal, but Rohan says, "First I must wash my dirty hands with soap and water, then I will take meal." After some time, Rohan sees his younger brother putting toys in his mouth. Then Rohan tells him, "Don't put it in your mouth, it's unhealthy." Now it's dinner time. Rohan washes his hands before and after meal. Then he brushes his teeth before go to bed, then sleep. Now it's morning time the next day. Rohan goes to school. Rohan noticed his classmate Rohit scratching his head every now and then in classroom. Rohit has trouble paying attention because he has not washed his hair and not cut his nails too. At home, Rohit speaks to his mother about the bad day. After listening him, his mother takes him for a shower and tells him about the importance of cleanliness. From that day on, Rohit changed his bad habits by saying, "I will stay healthy this way and keep myself clean also." This is the story of chapter number 2, Rohan's Tale. Okay. Now we will do the exercises based on this chapter. First exercise is match the word to its correct meaning. Okay. It's a match the following words meaning we match. And this exercise you will write in your notebook. Okay, so the first word is cleanliness. Cleanliness means keeping your body free from dirt and germs. Okay, this is the meaning of cleanliness. And the second word is grooming. Grooming means activities we do to help our body and clothes stay neat and clean. This is the meaning of grooming. Okay. And the third one is daily. Daily means every day of the week. Daily means every day of the week. You will write this match the following in your notebook. Okay. Now the second exercise, B exercise, is read the question given below. There are some questions and in other page there are answers. And we match the answers with their questions. In notebook you will write first question, then write answer 1. Okay, so the first question is, why is it important to stay neat and clean? So there are on the next page there are some options and we will identify the answer number 1. Question is, why is it important to stay neat and clean? So the answer 1 is, we might fall sick if we are not neat and clean. Okay, if we are not stay neat and clean, we might fall sick. So the answer number 1 is, we might fall sick. This is answer number 1. First you write question number 1, then answer number 1. Okay. Now the question number 2 is, what happens if we don't wash our hands? What happens if we don't wash our hands? Now they are the options. Answer number 2 is, we want to look our best, feel good and avoid germs. Okay, this is the answer number 2. Now question number 3 is, how often should you get a new toothbrush? Now answer number 3 is, we should replace our toothbrushes every 3 months. Okay, we should replace our toothbrushes every 3 months. This is the answer number 3. Okay. Now the question number 4 is, what should you do when you cough and sneeze? What should you do when you cough and sneeze? So the answer number 4 is, we should cover our mouth and nose with a tissue. This is answer number 4. Okay. Question number 5 is, what should you do with dirty hankies and tissues? What should you do with dirty hankies and tissues? We should throw them into a waste basket, means dustbin. Okay, we should throw them into a waste basket. This is answer number 5. So complete this exercise in your notebook. Next one is reflection point. There is activity, have a class discussion. How you and your friend will help a person who is not neat and tidy, means untidy person. How you can help him? You can help him by tell him about the importance of cleanliness and hygiene. Okay. For example, daily bath, cut your nails, and physical exercises and healthy food. So these are the activities for be healthy and tidy. Okay. Next one is, share the knowledge. It's tiffin time in school. Your friend Amar takes out his tiffin. You notice that his hands are dirty as he has just come back from basketball practice. After, what will you do? Will you keep quiet or point out the importance of cleanliness right in the given space? Okay, so this is exercise for you. This is your homework. You will write here your suggestion for that event. Okay, for this condition write your suggestion. Okay, and the next one is a helping hand. Write in the space given below any cleanliness tips you shared with your brother or cousin sister. Okay, there are some space on the next page and you will write about the cleanliness tips. This is your homework. At last there is a value store. I promise. I promise is the moral of this story. I promise to wash my hands regularly. Okay, this promise you will write in your notebook after question answers. Okay, so write this promise in your notebook. Thanks for watching me. Have a nice day.